What's up? It's your host, and you're listening to The Advantage Show, the podcast for people who want more out of life, business, and themselves. Each episode, we break down mindset, strategy, and real world moves that give you an advantage so you can make progress, win more, and build the life you're after. No fluff, no excuses, just practical talk that helps you level up every single day. Let's get it. Most people think sales is about talking. It's not. Sales is about understanding. Understanding people, understanding problems, and knowing how to connect the two. That's why people who master sales almost always make more money. Not because they're lucky, but because they're valuable. Welcome to the Advantage Show, where we break down mindset, money, and moves that give you the edge. I'm your host, James Hill. Let's get into it. Here's the truth. You're always selling, even if you don't realize it. You're selling your ideas, your opinions, your value every single day. So if you're not good at sales, you're losing opportunities without even knowing it. But hey, let's fix that. Here are 3 sales skills that instantly increase your income. Number 1, listening. Most people talk too much. They try to convince instead of understand. But the real power is in asking questions and actually listening. Because when people feel understood, they trust you. And trust, well, that closes deals. Number 2, clarity. If you can't explain something simply, you can't sell it. Confused people, they don't buy. So your job is to make things clear. Clear problem equals clear solution, then in turn equals clear outcome. Number 3, confidence. Not fake confidence, real confidence. The kind that comes from knowing you bring value. Because if you don't believe in what you're offering, why should anyone else? Here's the advantage edge. Sales isn't about pressure. It's about positioning. When you position yourself as someone who understands and can solve real problems, selling becomes natural, not forced. Here's your move for the day. In your next conversation, ask more questions than you normally would and actually listen to the answers. You'll be surprised what you learn. If this hit, follow the Advantage Show and share it with someone who needs it. In our next episode, we're breaking down why discipline beats motivation every time. Let's build your edge.